Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Drive on MacBook step by step clearly. To install Google Drive on your MacBook, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL drive.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. In the top right corner, locate and click on the download button. You will be redirected to the Google Drive for desktop download page. Click on the download button for Mac. A file named googledrive.dmg will begin to download. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on googledrive.dmg to open the installer. This will launch a new window with the Google Drive application icon. Drag the Google Drive icon to the Applications folder in that window. This will copy Google Drive to your applications. Close the installer window once the copying is complete. Now, open your Applications folder and find Google Drive. Double-click on the Google Drive app to launch it. When prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once installation is finished, Google Drive will automatically sync your files. You can now start using Google Drive on your MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.